Hi, so in this session we are going to discuss another application of bits. So in this session we are going to see, so check whether you are given any number, check whether number given n is a power of 2 or not. Is a power of 2 means, so power of 2 means 2, 4, 8, these all are powers of 2. 7 is not power of 2, 6 is not power of 2. So we are given a number n and we have to check whether it is a power of 2 or not. So one simple solution without any bits anything can be, I think whether you have this 16, it is divisible by 2, so you go to 8. It is divisible by 2, you go to 4. It is divisible by 2, you go to 2. It is divisible by 2, you go to 1, and you need to stop here. So if you have followed this path, then that means it is a power of 2. Let's see 6, you divide by 2, 3. Now it is not divisible by 2, so you will not divide it. You will stop here. Now you had stopped at 3. Similarly, in case of 10, you divide by 2, that comes up to 5. It is not divisible by 2, so you will not go further. So you will keep on going further until you will be reaching a position that is divisible by 2. Let's see 28. 28 divisible by 2, 14. 14 divisible by 2, 7. Now we need to stop here because it is not divisible by 2. So our code can be given n while n is divisible by 2. That means n modulo 2 is equal to 0. If this is happening, you will keep on going on till keep n equal to n divided by 2, n equal to n divided by 2. You will keep going on until this fails. If it has failed and it has failed at the position 1, then that means if n equal to 1, then that means it is a power of 2. Otherwise it is not. So you will keep on dividing until it is divisible by 2. If you have reached a position that it is not divisible by 2 and you have reached to 1, then that means it is a power of 2. If you have not reached to 1, then that means that is not a power of 2. 1 is also a power of 2 because 2 power 0 is 1. Okay. So we can have a simple calculation and this complexity will be log base 2n. Okay, this whole function, this is order of 1, this is order of log base 2n. We can do a better version, we can do this in order of 1 time. So how can we do that? Using the application of bits. So you can see the numbers which are power of 2. Let's see 2. 2 is represented how? 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. 4, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. 8, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. Something like this. 4, 5, 1 extra is 0 is here. So I think one thing is clear. Any power of 2 will have only one bit as set. That means this one or this one, this one, this one. So only one bit will be set, others will be 0. You will have to use that. For using this, you can use the application that you can check order that whether number is power of 2 in order 1 time. How? Let's see some other numbers which are not powers of 2. Let's see 7. 7 is represented as 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. 15. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Sorry, 1, 1, 1, 1. Something like this. Let's see 6. It is represented like 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay. This is like this. 14. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. Something like this. This is 14. Now if you see powers of 2, 16 and 15, if you will see them, 1 is here and other bits are 0, 1 and these bits are set in this. So initially they will be same, then 1 will come here, that will be 0 in this case, and rest of the bits will be 1 in this case. So if you take 16 and 15, something like this, you will get what? 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. These all bits will be 1 here. So 0 and 1 is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 and 0 is 0, 0, 0. Something like this. Let's see another thing. Let's see 6 and a 5. Let's see 14 and 13. So 13 is what? 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. Something like this. So if you take AND of this will be 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, all of these. This will be 0, this will be 0. So you will get different. Why? Because for any power of 2, you will only have one bit set as 1. Only one bit will be 1, others will be 0. And that bit will be 1, which will definitely be 0 in the previous one. Because this bit has been come as a new point. That means 2 power I has been generated. This all numbers are 2 power I, so new bit 2 power I has been used, which cannot be used in the previous numbers. All the numbers lesser than 16 will definitely have 0 in this. And what you did was you have taken the number n minus 1, then that bits will be set in the n minus 1th number. Any number, if your n is power of 2, n minus 1 will have 0 bit where 1 bit is there in the this. जहां पर भी 16 की बिट में 1 होगा वहां पर तो पक्का n minus 1 में 0 होगा, ये तो गारंटीड है बिकॉज उसके सारे नंबर्स में 0 होगा. एंड उसकी जो बाकी सारी बिट्स है वो पक्का 1 होंगी, जो कि 2 की पावर i के केस में बाकी सारी बिट्स तो 0 होती है. तो तुम अगर कोई ऐसा नंबर ढूंढ पाओ जिसमें n एंड ऑफ n minus 1 0 बन जाता है. 0 क्यों बन रहा है? बिकॉज n में केवल एक बिट ऐसी है जो कि 1 है और वो बिट पक्का 0 है n minus 1 में, एंड उस बिट के अलावा बाकी सारे नंबर्स क्या होंगे? 1 होंगे उस केस में. तो 0 एंड 1 इज 0 एंड 1 एंड 0 इज 0. सो अगर ये इक्वल टू 0 बन पाता है तो हम डेफिनेटली कह सकते हैं नंबर इवन नहीं, पावर ऑफ 2 होगा. पावर ऑफ 2 के नंबर्स की स्पेशलिटी है कि वो जो नंबर है उसमें केवल एक बिट ही होगा सेट, और वो बिट पक्का n minus 1 वाले में सेट नहीं हो सकता बिकॉज उससे छोटा नंबर है. तो और उसके छोटे नंबर में बाकी सारी बिट्स क्या होंगी? 0 होंगी. बाकी सारी बिट्स 1 होंगी. सो डेफिनेटली 1 एंड 0 करोगे तो सबको 0 बन जाएगा. और अगर ऐसा हो पा रहा है तो पावर ऑफ 2 बनेगा, और अगर नहीं हो पा रहा सो इट इज पावर ऑफ 2, और अगर नहीं हो पा रहा तो डेफिनेटली क्या होगा? वो पावर ऑफ 2 नहीं होगा, नॉट पावर ऑफ 2. ये केवल पावर ऑफ 2 वाले नंबर है जिसमें n एंड ऑफ n minus 1 करोगे तो 0 बन जाता है. ठीक है, यू कैन टेक ऑल द नंबर्स एंड डेफिनेटली n शुड बी ग्रेटर देन 0. पॉजिटिव नंबर्स की बात हो रही है तो अगर तुम ये नंबर चेक कर लो, इफ n and n minus 1 equal to 0 and n is greater than 0, then definitely it is a power of 2. Okay, this is what you have used. Now this is order 1 operation. Instead of using log base 2n, you can use this concept, and this is very useful in competitive programming. Okay, मोस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन में कई बार आ जाता है कि पावर ऑफ 2 का कॉन्सेप्ट लग रहा होता है, तो अगर तुम उसको लॉग में करते हो तो ज्यादा टाइम लगता है तो सबमिट नहीं हो पाता, बट अगर उसको बिट वाइज कर देते हो कई बार सबमिट हो जाता है. ओके, इट विल डिपेंड ऑन द क्वेश्चन. सो ये ऑर्डर 1 टाइम ले रहा है एंड आई थिंक काफी सही चीज है. ओके, ग्रेट, थैंक यू.